Hello, I'm Avery and we are almost done with the 5th grade year of Mrs. Kranau's math class. And today is May 13th, and we got to do a monster cookie activity. And this is all my data that I collected, and this is my pie chart for the monster cookie. So, have you ever thought of playing Uno with an animal? Well, I asked 10 people the question, if you had to play Uno for the rest of your life with an animal, what would you choose to play with? And they had to either choose a 5-headed cow, a blue giraffe, an energetic frog, or a sad blobfish. Today, I will tell you how I came up with the question, who I surveyed, what I predicted, and what they chose. The Extra Moist Monster Cookie activity is a very fun project that we get to do in Mrs. Kranau's class. When Mrs. Kranau was giving directions after school that day, I was playing Uno with my sister, and it just came to me. The reason I said animals is because I am a big Animal Lover fan, and everything else fell in place for my question. I surveyed 10 people because it is easy to put it in percentages. I surveyed 3 classmates, Maggie, Peyton, and Bristol. I surveyed 5 teachers in Paris, Mrs. Lewis, Mrs. Auctioner, Mrs. Hinkle, Mrs. Allen, and Dawn. And the last 2 people I surveyed were my mom and my sister, Anna. It was very funny and fun surveying the people that I chose. I predicted that most people would choose the blue giraffe, and I was right, with 40% to choose the blue giraffe. Some people chose the blue giraffe because they like the color blue and giraffes. Other people chose it because it was the only one that wouldn't creep them out. For the last one, for sad blobfish, 20% did that because they thought he would be too sad to play with and they would win every time. Also, for the energetic frog, it was 20%. They said it would be fun playing with the frog and they like frogs. And for the last one, it was a 5-headed cow, and 20% did that also. Because they like cows. That basically sums up of what the people chose and who I surveyed. As you can see, the Monster Cookie activity is a very fun project that we get to do in Mrs. Kranau's math class. Make sure next time you play Uno, think of me. Oh, I almost forgot. There was going to be a show here. Let me go get the person who's doing it. Oh, hi everyone, and we're on today's show of Chatty and Cheerful. And we are going to pick a topic. Let's see what it's going to be. Oh, and I can see it's going to be highlights from Mrs. Kranau's math class. Well, for number 10, learning something new every day. I know it seems boring, but you can learn a lot from if you listen to teachers, of course. And then number 9, sink or swim. It is a very fun game that we get to play to study for vocab words in math class. And number 8, when I grow up, taping thing. It is a fun way to figure out what you want to do when you grow up. And it's just fun and all. And number 7, portfolios. Portfolios is a thing that Mrs. Kranau does, and when we graduate, she gives it to us, and it's just, I feel like it would be funny to just get it when you graduate, and you get to put all sorts of papers in the portfolio. Number 6, math treats. Math treats is a fun way that Mrs. Kranau gives out extra work if you get done with all your homework. And if you finish it, you get extra points and you get a treat. Number 5, Geo-Turkey. Geo-Turkey is a project that we get to do, and you make a turkey with geometric shapes, and it's